Hey, Michelle and Jesse, I thought I would show you how you can adjust the sound when you want to put music in the background. So I picked a song that was just a little bit like mellower than the one that was on there and put it over here. So hopefully you guys like that one. So all you have to do when you want to make it quieter is when you click on the song, and if you come up here to the top and you hit this volume one, you can just adjust the volume down of the music so it will make it much quieter. So on the one that I did, I had it on 23, and then it just plays really subtle in the background and you can hear the person talking. So all you have to do is just, again, just click on the music part and then click the volume, and then it will make it quieter. And then the other thing that you want to make sure of is that the music goes the whole way. So you can see here it stopped about halfway through. So then you just go to it and then you hit duplicate track. For whatever reason, it puts it underneath another one, but you can just drag it. You just have to kind of keep dragging it down to the end, and you just drag it until it matches up right where the other one ends. And then you might have to do that another time too. Anyways, so you just kind of drag it and then you want to just keep scrolling, and because you can see it didn't totally fill the whole thing. So then you just hit duplicate again and then you just keep dragging it um, until it ends up on the whole track. Because otherwise it will have like a part of it that is missing music. So you have to just kind of keep lining it up and keep going until you get it to be where one ends and then the other one starts, and then you just keep going to make sure it gets all the way until the end. So since you hit duplicate track, it should have stuck with the quieter sound, but you can always check by clicking on it and then clicking the speaker up here. And then I'll let you kind of hear the difference in what it sounds like. So if you think that's too loud, you can still turn it down a little bit quieter. And all you have to do is just click on it and then you can just drop it even a little bit more. So that's a little bit more subtle in the background too. The other thing I wanted to show you is that you can crop the video. So for example, at the beginning of Tony's, you can tell he wasn't quite ready. So if you go to this little scissor thing up here and you click on the scissors, see how there was that pause at the beginning? So then all you do is you grab the end and you drag, and you can crop it. And so there was still a bit of a pause, so you can grab a little bit more and you can shrink it to get it right to when they start. And then when it plays through, and then you can do the same thing on the other end of your video so that you can cut off all those awkward beginnings and endings. And then you can get rid of that head look down at the end too. So then if you see you cut it too far, you just drag it back out, and then you can just come and listen to that part. And then you just hit done, and then it will cut it and it will take off that weird beginning and that weird end. You can do that on each of the videos that you go to. You can just make sure that the beginning doesn't have a lag or something off of the end. Um, so hopefully that helps you, and you can use that the next time that you guys are using Canva. I'll clip the beginnings and ends of this one since I'm already in here, but hope it helps.